In a dense, verdant jungle, nestled among the towering trees, lived a sleek, majestic leopard named Leo. Leo was known far and wide for his striking beauty, but he was also known for a peculiarity: he had never once seen his own reflection. One day, Leo wandered into a clearing where a large, still pool of water shimmered in the sunlight. As he approached, he saw his own image for the first time. Startled, he froze, his eyes wide with surprise. "Who is that beast?" he asked, his voice echoing off the surrounding trees. But there was no answer, for it was only his reflection he saw. Leo, confused, paced back and forth, trying to understand this strange sight. The next day, Leo ventured back to the clearing, hoping to catch another glimpse of the mysterious creature he had seen. He looked into the water, and there he was, staring back at him. Leo watched himself, his striking coat shining in the sunlight, his eyes full of grace and power. In that moment, Leo realized something profound. He saw that he was more than just a leopard. He was a creature of beauty, strength, and majesty. He saw the power within himself and felt a newfound sense of pride. From that day forward, Leo carried himself with a newfound elegance, his head held high, his strides confident. He no longer saw himself as just another animal, but as a king of the jungle, worthy of respect and admiration. And so, the story of Leo serves as a reminder to us all. Look within yourselves, and you may find something truly beautiful, something truly powerful. For we are all more than we think we are, and we all have the power to be the best versions of ourselves, if we only take the time to look. In the end, the moral of this story is: look within and find your own beauty, for we all have the power to be our best selves.